how to fix your TikTok not loading on your PC problem. To do that, what you first need to do is open up your TikTok. When you try to open your TikTok, you might be getting any errors that says unable to open or unable to load or something like that. Now to fix that, you might simply want to reload the page first. This should fix the problem, but if it does not, what you can do is you can go to your Google settings. You can go to it by clicking on the three dots on the top right, and on the top you will see an settings option. After you click on the settings option, there you will see a privacy and security option on the third one. After you go there, you might want to clear third-party cookies. If you clear third-party cookies, and also you might want to clear some cache data, you can go to the delete browsing data and then delete the cookies on your device. You can also go to the advanced section and then choose the time range between which you want to delete the cache data from. After you delete the data, this problem should get fixed on your TikTok and your TikTok should load. But if it still does not work, this might be a problem from the TikTok server side. So that means that it's not your problem and you won't be able to fix it yourself. So TikTok will fix it from their side and your TikTok should work. So that is how you fix your TikTok not working on your PC problem. So that is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like at the video. Bye bye.